National Atmospheric Research Laboratory, Department of Space, invites applications for the post of scientist and junior research fellowship. So for the post of scientist, the basic pay scale is around 56,100 per month, and the level 10 pay scale plus TA HRA are admissible. The essential qualifications are graduate in engineering in different streams of electronics and telecommunication, electronics and control, electronics and instrumentation, electronics and telecommunication, telematics, industrial electronics, telecommunication. So these are all the allied branches of electronics are eligible to apply for this post. And the desirable experience, this is not essential. Desirable thing is you should have a postgraduate degree in engineering or technology in the specialization of electronics and communication with first class and a good CPA, and experience in FPGA required, that is a skill. It is just desirable thing. And next post is junior research fellowship. For the post of scientist, only one vacancy. For the post of junior research fellowship, there are 13 vacancies. The essential qualification is first class degree in physics or atmospheric science, space science, meteorology, applied chemistry, geophysics, earth science or equivalent, or atmospheric science and space, or any specialization of electronics, engineering, communication, optical engineering, instrumentation, photonics. And you should have qualified either CSIR, UGC, NET or JAM or JEST. So the consolidated stipend for first 2 years is around 31,000, and the next year, that is from third year, you'll getting 35,000 per month. HRA will not be paid to the candidates who avail the hostel facility. So HRA is also available those who are not opting hostel facility. So eligibility with good academic records are essential to apply for this post. The age limit for the post of scientist is 35 years. And for the post of junior research fellowship is 28 years. And there is also some relaxation for OBC, SC, ST, PWD candidates according to the rules of government. For minimum essential qualification, they are advised to satisfy all the qualification before applying the prescribed application form. If the number of applications are large, they may adopt the procedure is that if the number of applications are huge, they may adopt the shortlisting criteria to restrict the number of candidates on the basis of higher qualification, on the basis of higher experience, on counting number of experience and also published journals by the candidate. So candidates who are employed in central or state government have to submit NOC, no objection letter, NOC, that is certificate. And SC, ST, PWD ex-servicemen, they need to produce the certificate of caste or the requisite disability certificate for PWD. And the allowances will be for scientists is 56,100 and 31,000 for JRF. So the date of determining the eligibility of all candidates on the application closing date will be available on the website. So applied date and last date. So applied date has already started, 30th of October, and the end of this application is 29th of November 2021. So applications will be received only through online, and the candidates attending the interview will be reimbursed a sleeper class fare by the shortest route. So this is regarding the vacancies of NARL, National Atmospheric Research Laboratory, for the post of scientist and as well as junior research fellowship. The last date is in the month of November. So I request you all to check the job updates playlist so you will not miss any further job updates. Thank you. Have a great day.